Feel the magic under Keely's light. Hook in hand, we're gonna start today. Hook in love will show the way.
For the puff stitch, so this is the puff stitch for the plaited shoulder bag that I have recently designed for Wool Warehouse. So you will be doing this in the round. So whilst I'm starting on a chain, you'll be doing this on the round. So I'm demonstrating the actual puff stitch, not necessarily how you would do it within a chain. So for this, I am going to start in the third chain from the hook, but as I say, this is mainly so that I get the height for the puff stitch. So I'm yarning over and placing my hook into the stitch it will be on the pattern. I'm yarning over and drawing up a loop, and what I'm doing is I'm going to pull that up sort of quite high, yarning over again and going back into the same stitch, yarning over and pulling up another loop. So at this point you'll have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 loops on the hook. You are going to yarn over and pull through all of those, and that is your puff stitch. So when you're making this, I'm just looking at the pattern. So when you're making this, you will be making this. This will be on round 5, and you're going to make a puff stitch in every stitch around. So it would look something like this. So you're going to yarn over into the next stitch, pull a loop up, yarn over, back into the same stitch, pull a loop up, 5 on the hook, yarn over, pull through all 5. Back again, yarn over, next stitch, and through, back up, yarn over, down, back up, and pull through all 5. So these are what your little puff stitches are going to look like. So hopefully that helps if you weren't sure how to make the puff stitch.